अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि तआला बरकातहू। मुअज़्ज़िज़ असातिज़ा इकराम, आज हम पीएसटी, जीपीएसटीआर, एचएसटीआर और जो कि पीयू का रिक्रूटमेंट है, अपकमिंग रिक्रूटमेंट होने वाला है, उसमें मस्ट एंड शुड कंपलसरी 10 या 20 मार्क्स का कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड आपको सवालात होंगे, जो कि जीपीएसटीआर में 15 मार्क्स का क्या है, ये क्वेश्चंस क्या है ज़रूर होना तय पाया है, जो कि पिछले साल हर साल पूछे गए हैं। तो उसकी आसानी के लिए हम आज चंद कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड सवालात के जवाबात बोल रहे हैं। तो देखें पहला क्या क्या है, एक एक करके हम सवालों के साथ साथ जवाबात भी जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो डायरेक्ट जवाब देखते जाएंगे। पहला सवाल रहा, व्हाट इज़ द साइज ऑफ फ्लॉपी डिस्केट विच इज़ यूज्ड नॉर्मली? Option number 1, 3.5. Next, number 2, a concept disk CD is a data storage system of the type. Option B, optical. Next, number 3, where is the National Institute of Excellence in the field of information technology and allied science processed to be set up? Allahabad. Next, number 4, which of the following circuit is used memory device in computer? Flip flop. Next, number 5, which of the following is not a role assigned to science and technology and entrepreneurship parks? उसका सही जवाब रहा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, राइजिंग फंड्स फॉर एंटरप्रीनर्स। नेक्स्ट, नंबर 6, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट reckoned as a value added telecommunication service? Option is C, fax. Next, number 7, the basic application of an AND get in computers is in a computer for? Option number C, multiplication. Next, number 8, who developed the concept of email? Ray Tomlinson. Next, number 9, देखिए नंबर 9 क्या है, what is an organization's introductory web page called? Website. Number 10, the first computer language developed was? Fortran, Fortran, Fortran. Next, number 11, who among the following developed World Wide Web, WWW, which gave a new type of information exhibition? Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Next, number 12, which among the following is a distinctive feature by which a CD-ROM drive is classified in a personal computer? Option B, data transfer rate. Next, number 14, processing of a data file to reduce its size for storage on disk is termed compression. Number 15, which of the following mobile telephone network is not based on GSM technology? Reliance Information. Next, number 16, a concept disk CD is a data storage system of the type optical. Next, number 17, who developed the concept World Wide Web? World Wide Web, Microsoft. Number 18, IC in computers stands for integrated circuits. IC means integrated circuits. Number 19, WLL stands for wireless in local loop. Option D, wireless in local loop. Next, 20. A computer virus is option D, a special kind of computer program. Next, number 21. Which one of the following companies announced sometime back the launch of India's first personal computer? Which 1 terabyte hard drive capacity? Option C, HCL Information System, Info System. Next, number 22. Nanotechnology deals with objects with the dimension in the range of 10 minus 9 m. Option C. Next, 23rd. An intelligent terminal. What is intelligent terminal? Option B, can process small data processing jobs with the use of a large CPU. Next, number 24. Processor's speed of a computer is measured in MIPS, M-I-P-S. Next, C language is a high level language. Next, number 26. Windows 7, the latest operating system from Microsoft Corporation, has dash Indian languages fonts. Option D, 49. Next, 27. In a 14-inch TV or computer monitor, the dimension of 14-inch stands for. Option C, the diagonal of the screen. Next, question number 28. देखें क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 क्या है. Who is called the father of computer? Also you know, Charles Babbage. Next, 29. What is clickjacking? Option A, malicious technique of tricking web users into revealing confidential information. Next, number 30. As announced by the finance minister in his budget speech on 28th February 2011, with a view to assist states in modernizing their stamp and registration administration, e-stamping is expected to be rolled out in all the districts of different states in a period of how much years? 3 years. Next, question number 31. Where was India's first computer installed? Very important question. Where was India's first computer installed? Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Very important. Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Next, 32. What is the commonly used unit for measuring the speed of data transmission? Option C, bytes per second. Number 33. In which of the following areas a spreadsheet software is more useful? Option C, statistics. Number 34. A group where is a software, hardware or software. Number 35. A communication network which is used by large organizations over regional, national or global area is called WAN, W-A-N. Next, number 36. Microsoft Office Personal Information Manager is. Option A, Outlook. 37. WikiLeaks, a whistleblowers website, is an international organization based in USA. Next, 38. A parallel port is most often used by a printer. Next, 39. The symbols used in an assembly language are mnemonics. Next, number 40. The attribute in HTML? Option C, displays the line in dark gray. Number 41, where are the programs and data to be used by the computer available? Option C, storage. Next, 42, in HTML, B and bar B tags display the enclosed text in bold. 43, which of the following is not a hardware? इनमें से हार्डवेयर कौन सा नहीं है? जावा. 44, which one of the following is a system software? Compliers. Next, number 45, who introduced MMX technology? MMX technology, Intel. 46, where is the proposed Microsoft Software Development Center in India to come up? Hyderabad. IC chips for computer are usually made for silicon. Next, 48, to read a CD-ROM disk you need a laser beam. 49, if you undergo a CAT scan you have been subjected to a computerized axial tomography. Next, 50, Microsoft PowerPoint is a software designed to create multimedia presentation. Next, information technology is the combination of database management, communication and internet. Next, number 52, an electronic device that produces sounds from instructions in a mini file is a synthesizer. Option A. Next, 53, a technique for producing animation in which one image changes into another is called morphing. Next, 54, the device that converts digital signals to analog signals at the start of long distance transmission is modem. Next, 55, information in a combination of graphics, text, sounds, video and animation is called multimedia. Number 56, optic fibers are used in place of wire cables because they do not generate magnetic fields. Option B. अज़ीज़ तुलबा, इसी तरह नेक्स्ट आने वाले 60 से लेकर आने वाली वीडियो को हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे, पढ़ेंगे. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत यूज़फुल है, जो कि रिपीटेड बार बार पूछे गए सवालात हैं. तो आप इनको पढ़ लीजिए, याद कर लीजिए. ऑडियो नोट्स के तौर पर क्या है, आप बार बार सुन सकते हैं. चलिए अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि तआला व बरकातहू.